Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I have an exciting video in store for you. We'll be discussing my personal experience with T-Mobile's 5G home internet service. I've been using it for almost a year now and I'm here to share all the details, pros and cons, so let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the installation process. Getting set up with T-Mobile's 5G home internet was a breeze. All I had to do is unbox, as you've seen my last T-Mobile video, a little bit of setup. Mostly just sign up in the app, and just like that, I was up and running. The setup was quick and I didn't experience any major issues during the installation. And now, let's dive into the performance. One of the most critical factors for any home internet service is its speed, obviously. So I've conducted several speed tests over the past year, so I'm happy to say that T-Mobile's 5G home internet has been consistently fast. I've been consistently getting download speeds of over 70 megabits per second and upload speeds of over or around 20 megabits per second, which for the location and the price, I'm extremely happy with it and my needs. And this has been more than enough for all my streaming, gaming and browsing needs that I might have. Speaking of streaming and gaming, the low latency provided by T-Mobile's 5G network has been impressive. I've had a seamless experience with streaming high-definition content and playing online games here and then. Buffering and lag have been minimal, if not non-existent. It's definitely a huge plus that I could connect it to my Linksys EA9500, so I could plug up to 8 wired devices without any problem. Another aspect I appreciate about T-Mobile's 5G home internet is its versatility. I have the flexibility to move my setup around the house, and thanks to the wireless nature of the service, which is really good, whether I'm working on my home office, relaxing in the living room, or even enjoying a sunny day in the backyard, I can take advantage of the fast and reliable internet connection without any hassle so far. Furthermore, T-Mobile's 5G home internet has seamlessly integrated with my smart home devices, which are a few, not many, but a few. From security cameras to smart speakers, and everything connects flawlessly and operates without any hiccups. It's convenient to have a reliable internet connection that supports all my home automation needs, for whatever I have at least. And lastly, I'd like to touch up on customer support. Throughout my time with T-Mobile's 5G home internet, yes, I've had a few of those that were working in the antenna and actually they work, because next day I seen results change, contrary to popular belief sometimes, but I've had a positive experience whenever I needed assistance. Their customer support team has been responsive and helpful, addressing my concerns or questions that I've had very promptly. And in conclusion, my experience with T-Mobile's 5G home internet has been exceptional. The installation was smooth, the speed and latency are impressive, the versatility is unmatched, and their customer support has been top-notch. Of course, like any service, there have been minor hiccups along the way, but overall I'm genuinely satisfied with T-Mobile's 5G home internet and would highly recommend it to anyone seeking a reliable and fast home internet solution. But before you do that, please go ahead and check the coverage in your area, and just keep in mind that I am not getting paid by T-Mobile or Metro PCS or any of their affiliates to say any of what I'm expressing here in this video. And for any reason you don't like it, the first 15 days are actually a free trial. So I guess you could just try it and return if you don't like it. And in my personal experience, it's been almost a year. I haven't had any problems except for minor here and there, especially when it's the very bad weather outside. I understand, but my other ISP, which is quite more expensive, does exactly the same. And actually I had way more downtime with the other ISP than T-Mobile 5G home internet, so that's just my personal experience with them. I am very satisfied, and I guess that's it for today's video. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with T-Mobile's 5G home internet, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!